AutoID, renowned for its aftermarket enhancements, has unveiled the BMW M2 TR87, a performance-focused variant that pushes the boundaries of aerodynamics, handling, and overall driving dynamics. This latest offering from AutoID builds upon the BMW M2's legacy of agility and power, promising enthusiasts an exhilarating driving experience with enhanced visual appeal and technical prowess. The BMW M2 TR87 stands out with its striking aerodynamic enhancements, including a redesigned front splitter, side skirts, and a rear diffuser. These components not only enhance the car's visual presence but also contribute to improved downforce and stability at high speeds, making it a formidable contender on both the road and the track. Under the hood, AutoID has fine-tuned the M2 TR87's performance capabilities, offering enthusiasts a choice of upgraded engine configurations. Whether opting for increased horsepower, torque, or both, drivers can expect exhilarating acceleration and responsiveness that elevate the driving experience to new heights. In terms of handling, the M2 TR87 benefits from enhanced suspension components and tuning, meticulously calibrated to complement its increased power output. This combination ensures precise cornering dynamics and agility, allowing drivers to confidently navigate twisty roads and challenging driving conditions with ease. Inside the cabin, AutoID has focused on refining the driver-centric experience with bespoke interior upgrades. Premium materials, ergonomic seating, and advanced technology features create a cockpit that balances comfort with performance, reaffirming the M2 TR87's status as a driver's car designed for enthusiasts who demand the utmost from their vehicles. AutoID's commitment to craftsmanship is evident in every detail of the BMW M2 TR87, from its aerodynamic enhancements to its performance-oriented engineering. Each component has been meticulously designed and tested to uphold the BMW M heritage while pushing the boundaries of what is possible in aftermarket automotive customization. Enthusiasts and critics alike have praised AutoID's approach to enhancing the BMW M2, noting the seamless integration of performance upgrades with visual enhancements that complement the car's iconic design language. The M2 TR87 serves as a testament to AutoID's dedication to delivering high-quality, enthusiast-driven automotive solutions that redefine the driving experience. As anticipation builds among enthusiasts, AutoID has announced plans to offer the BMW M2 TR87 in limited quantities, ensuring exclusivity for those who seek a personalized driving experience with uncompromising performance and style. Pricing and availability details will be released closer to the official launch date, inviting enthusiasts to experience the thrill of driving a truly bespoke sports car. In summary, AutoID's introduction of the BMW M2 TR87 represents a fusion of cutting-edge design, performance engineering, and automotive customization expertise. With its aerodynamic enhancements, enhanced handling capabilities, and refined interior, the M2 TR87 is poised to captivate automotive enthusiasts seeking a distinctive, high-performance driving experience.